In this first episode, we will learn how to set up the canvas, import images, and talk about layers. By pressing Ctrl and N, or Command and M if you're on Mac, we can make a new file. The ideal size for a thumbnail is 1280 by 720. This will make it look perfect in the search results. At the bottom right of the screen, you will see the layers on the canvas. You will want to click the lock icon to unlock the background, letting us move it and change the color if we like. Let's import an image for our background. This is as easy as simply dragging the image onto the canvas. This image will now appear, and you can change the scale, rotation, and even skew it. We only want to change the scale for now. Click, hold and drag one of the corners of the image while holding Shift. To confirm by any manipulation, press Enter. We now have a background that's more vibrant than the plain white background we started with. To explain layers, we have 3 bits of card. New layers will be called layer X, with X being the number of the layer. Layer 1 is not always the top layer. You can move layer 1 to become the background if you like. Let's make her a bit bigger than the frame. Again, click, hold and drag the corner of the highlighted box while holding Shift to not mess with the integrity of the image. Okay, so we now have a background and a character. In the next episode, we will be learning how to add text, change the font, and add effects to it. Thanks for watching.